how to run a Google Ads campaign for your YouTube video. I will give you the step-by-step tutorial. First of all, you have to go your Google Ads, this business.google.com. If you don't have account, just sign up with your Gmail account, and if you already have, just going to sign in. Now on sign in, you can see those my Google Ad account. If you create new one, you can see this kind of interface. So first of all, you have to add money to your Google Ads. If you go your billing section, then you can see available fund. Just if you don't have fund or don't add your card yet, then just press on add fund, and you can add your credit card like that. If you want to add card, and once done, just press on save card. Now my card is already add, and if you press on add fund, then your fund will be add to your card to your Google Ad. So first step is done. Now to create campaign, press on create, or if you go to campaign, you can see the new campaign. Just press on new campaign and press on new campaign, and here you can see the option. You need to select YouTube videos for your video campaign. So this is the recommended video view, and it's also increase your subscribe. And if you want to reach, that's mean impression, you can select this one, and YouTube subscription and engagement. So it will show the Gmail different way. So I'm selecting this video view that show the YouTube and the display ad. So once done, then press on continue, and you need to create a new one. Just press on start new. Once you press on new start new, you can see this kind of interface. Now just campaign name, select a name. Now this is the ad format while you want to show your ad. Skippable in Steam ad. I don't want to show my video. It's give you the low view like 1 minute or 2 minutes, so I just skip it. In feed ads and short ads and video strategy, you can skip it, or if you want you can also set. I just skip it. Now total campaign, if you want to set daily, like daily $1 but daily $2, but I want to set a campaign for $10. I am entering my 10. If you want 100, you can also do it. Now here is see the start date. Select a start date, or I am selecting the end date, and I am to run my ad for 2 weeks. And here is the network, Google TV. If you want, you can also set it here, and more importantly, location where you want to show your video. If you show your video to all over country, then just select all country and territory and Bangladesh and interior and the location. I am customize my location. If you search here, you can see the location, Delhi, India. As you can see, the location is added. Now language, which language people you want to show: Arabic, Bengali, Hindi, Malaysia, English. You can select any, Chinese traditional, and related video. I don't want to show off here. And add group name again, and the audience name, and demography. You can choose your age and to show 18 plus to 44, and onto unknown skip, or you can select your unknown as well. And additionally, parent, no parent unknown, I will skip it. As you can see, this is the more customized. I just skip it. Now you can choose your keyword as well. For example, if someone searches great all, your video will be shown. so I just want to skip it as well. Topic permanent, and your YouTube video. You have to enter your YouTube URL. Now go to your YouTube video, copy, and sorry, you can see the video is shown here. To label. No, I don't want to show any label. If your video make with AI, you can select this option, and here you can see the all format. Select all format. You can check your TV and mobile version, and in edit section you need to enter your URL again. Now call to action, long headline, so you need to add your headline here. So I am selecting my headline. This is the headline. And now I'm entering my title and description, and is the business name, logo, all will be same. Now here you can see the bitrate. Google recommended 0.0 on. Let's set 0 on. Now press on create campaign. Once you create campaign, then you can see congratulations, your campaign is ready. Press on continue to overview. Now once ad will be run, then you can see your data here. If you go to campaign home page and then go to campaign and go to campaign, then you can see China Great All campaign is eligible and it's now enabled. So within 20 or 30 minutes you can see your all data overview here. Another way you can campaign with your video, go to promotion and just new campaign you can promote here, but this is the most convenient and cheapest way, so you can try here. So that's it. Thank you. Please thumbs up and do subscribe. If you have any question, feel free to ask in comment section below. Have a good day.